welcome to TT's Corner. I want to address something that I saw on the internet. I saw that Clifford Smith, aka Mr. Vegas, will be getting the Order of Distinction Award. He's recognized for the award. And there's a section of Jamaicans are up in arms about it, mainly the PNP to be exact, and saying that he doesn't deserve it and why is he getting it, and there's some who saying, oh, why is he getting it before Beanie Man and Bounty? That's when I said to myself, these people are just offended because Mr. Vega's political affiliation is with the JLP. That's the reason, because they don't know nothing about the OD awards. Because if they did, they would know that Beanie and Bounty was given the recognition 2024. That's 2 years ago. So they're just making a big fuss over nothing. Mr. Vegas has contributed a lot to reggae and dancehall. He has songs like Ed's Eye, I Am Blessed, Night Ear, Sweet Jamaica, and a whole host of others. Also, he has done a lot of collabs, with people like Sean Paul, Beyonce. He, the late great DMX, he collaborated with even people in Latin America, Africa. He brought reggae and dancehall all across the globe. Okay, he received even a mobile awards, that international, in England. And recently he received international lifetime award in Florida. Yes, my state of Florida. Okay, so places all over are recognizing Mr. Vegas for the great job he has done in music and entertainment. So I don't know why people are putting on colored glasses and pretending as if he haven't done great things. Also, Mr. Vegas dropped out of school and he went back, got his GED, went to college, and he have his master's degree. So this man is showing people that it's not where you start, it's where you're heading. And you think a person like that with a story, a great story, should not be recognized? Are you kidding me? This man has proven himself over and over and over again, generation after generation. This man is in the music business for almost 30 years and he's still touring. So, people, just stop it. Stop with the political bullcrap. Mr. Vegas Clifton Smith, he deserved this recognition. And I want to say I am so proud of you. You deserve it, and I am clapping for you. Bravo, Mr. Vegas. Bravo. Congratulations. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for all you've done.